Understanding ratios and proportions.
Ratios and proportions are fundamental tools in science. A ratio compares two quantities, such as the amount of a chemical to the total solution, while a proportion expresses that two ratios are equal. These concepts help scientists describe relationships between variables, standardize measurements, and ensure consistency in experiments, all of which are crucial for accurate results.
Making experiments reproducible.
By using precise ratios and proportions, scientists ensure that experiments can be repeated with the same results. For example, mixing chemicals in the same proportion each time means others can follow the same method and expect similar outcomes. This reproducibility is at the core of scientific research and progress.
Interpreting and comparing data.
Ratios allow scientists to interpret results regardless of the scale of their experiment. For instance, knowing the ratio of two substances helps compare findings from small laboratory tests to large-scale applications. By analyzing proportions, scientists can spot patterns, identify outliers, and draw meaningful conclusions from their data.
Ensuring fair tests and valid results.
Proper use of proportions ensures that experiments are fair tests. In biology, for instance, giving each test group the same proportion of nutrients removes bias. This helps ensure that differences in results are due to the variable being tested, not accidental imbalances, strengthening the validity of scientific conclusions.
Real-world impact of ratios and proportions.
Ratios and proportions extend far beyond the lab. Medical dosages, environmental testing, and even food recipes rely on these concepts. Whether determining the right amount of fertilizer for plants or the safe concentration of a medicine, understanding and applying ratios and proportions is essential across scientific and everyday contexts.